to see what you actually kick-started, and today we are indeed here when the auction is going to take place. I am just going to mention a couple of other things that with respect to how this is going to be an enabler. I mean, I've always said digital is not an end in itself, it's means to an end. Faster, cheaper, better. It's as simple as that. I mean, then you can get into all the use cases, etc. And of course, there are enough use cases here. The whole IT industry and IT services is one of the biggest upsides and what is happening now in terms of exports that can contribute to the country's economy. And under the leadership of Minister IT, we are moving from strength to strength. But that's where we need to provide the ecosystem. When I say that we need to, when we talk about jobs, when we talk about the private sector has to lead the country, this is exactly what the government should be doing, is providing the ecosystem and helping out with that ecosystem, whether it's on the freelancer side or whether the Prime Minister's initiative in terms of taking Digital Pakistan forward, digital infrastructure, the whole, the payment rails, getting all the government payments digitized, etc., all important. And of course, as we move towards the new economy, whether it's AI, whether it's blockchain, whether it's Web 3.0, all of this is going to be helped in terms of the spectrum availability and as we move into 5G. And the last thing I would just mention is that what was announced by the Prime Minister yesterday, this is where all of this becomes extremely critical in terms of crisis, to move seamlessly into online education, working from home, and wherever we get in terms of greater spectrum and better connectivity, etc., I'm sure is going to help us, as I mentioned, in terms of the seamless transition as we negotiate the current oil crisis. With that, I again want to thank all the members of the Spectrum Committee who brought us to this day. And as Chairman PTA said, I want to wish all the industry participants that now it's your turn. Come up, do what is required, and I wish you all the very best and Godspeed. Thank you.